Good morning, children. How are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter N7 decimals. So let us see first place value chart of the decimal. See, this is the decimal. In the left hand side, we will write down it is called whole number part, and the right hand side of the decimal is called decimal part. Let us see how we'll write down in the left hand side. It will start from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and right side of the decimal will start from tenth, hundredth, thousandth, like this. Now let us start this exercise 7a. The first question of this exercise is write the decimal equivalent of each of the following. The first part is given 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100. Let us multiply. 6 into 10 is equal to 60 plus 5 into 1 5 plus 2 1 ja 2 upon 10 plus 8 1 ja 8 upon 100. Now 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. When you will divide this 2 by 10, you will get it 0.2. Why? Because when you will divide any number by 10 or multiple of 10, you have to do one thing. In the numerator there is no decimal, but you have to think that the decimal is written in the extreme right side of this number, and when you will divide this number by 10, the decimal will shift in the left hand side as much place as a 0 is written in the denominator. So there is 1 0, so decimal will move one place in the left hand side, so it will become 0.2 plus here there are 2 zeros, so decimal will move 2 place in the left hand side, so it will be 0.08. Now add this number. When you will add 65, decimal is not written, it means it is extremely right side. Now 0.2 and 0.08. Now let us add 2 5. 65.28 will be your answer. Next question is 5 upon 10 plus 7 upon 1000. Again, when we will divide this 5 by 10, decimal will move one place because in the denominator 1 0 is given. So 0.5 plus. Here when you will divide this 7 by 1000, decimal will move 3 places in the left hand side. So it will become 0.007. We will write down 20 here to make it a 3 digit. Now when you will add 0.5 and 0.007, if there is no number, you are free to put it 0. So 705.0, 0.507 will be your answer. Next question is question number 2. Determine whether the given pairs of decimals are like, unlike, or equivalent. See, like decimals are those decimals when the decimal is written in the same place after same digit, no matter what is the number given, but the decimal should be at the same place. And unlike decimals are in different places. Equivalent fractions means both the numbers must be same. Let us see the first part. 12.03 and 120.3. Here decimal is after 2 place and here decimal is after 1 place. So this is unlike decimal. Here 1.27 and 40.83. You will see that decimal is after 2 place given, and this side also decimal is after 2 place. So this is like decimal because decimal is at the same place in both the numbers. Next question, 80.4 and 80.40. 4 and 40, 0.4 and 0.40 are same thing. So it has the same number in both the places. 80.4 and 80.40 both are same number. So this is called equivalent. 0.563 and 5.63. Here decimal is after 3 place and decimal is after 2 place. So this is unlike. Next we will see question number 3. Write the following as decimal. Again 7 by 10. As I told you, when you will divide any number by 10 or multiple of 10, the decimal will shift as much place as much 0 is written in the denominator. In the left hand side, decimal will move always in the left hand side. So 1 0 is given, so it will be 0.7. One place decimal will move. Here 37 by 100. It means decimal will move left side in after 2 places. So 0.37 will be your answer. 3 by 1000. Now decimal will move 3 place in the left hand side because in the denominator 3 zeros are given. So 0.003 will be your answer. Next question number 4. Write the following mixed fraction as decimal. 3 by 10. This is equal to 5. We'll write down like this. 5 plus 3 by 10. Now when you will simplify this 3 by 10, decimal will come after, will move in the left hand side after one digit. So it will be 5 plus 0.3, that is equal to 5.3 will be your answer. Next, write the following decimals as fraction in their simplest form. First part is given 2.84. So 2.84, we have to remove this decimal. In place of this decimal, in the denominator we will write down 1. And let us, you have to see how many digits are written in the right hand side of the decimal. There are 2 digits, so in place of this 2 digit we have to write down 2 zeros. So it will be 284 by 100. Now let us divide both this number by 2. 250 ja 100 and 2 142 ja 284. Again 142 upon 50. Both this number will be divided by 2. 225 ja 50 and 271 ja 142. Now 171 by 25 will be our answer. Change the following fraction into decimals. Next question number 6. First part is 47 by 20. What we have to do? We will divide here. We will make it a column here. 20. This denominator will come, we will write down outside this bracket, and 47 numerator will be inside the bracket. Now 22 ja 40. Now after subtracting we'll get it here 7. Since 7 is smaller than 20, so what we will do? We'll put it here one decimal and then we will take it 1 0. Now it will become 70. 23 ja 60. After subtracting we'll get it 10. Since we have taken here, we put it here decimal, so we are free to take it 1 0 after every step. So it will become 100. Now 25 is 100. Therefore the answer will be 2.35. Next question is 8 1 by 40. So 8 plus 1 by 40. Let us divide this 1 by 40. So we will put it numerator inside the bracket and 40 will come outside the bracket. Now 1 is smaller than 40. So what we will do? We will put it one decimal here. So and we will get it 1 0. Again, now also it is smaller than 40, so it will go by 0 times. So 40 zeros are 0. Now since we have taken one decimal here, so we will get it 1 0 in after every step. So 42 is 80. Now 20. Since we have taken decimal, so we will get it 1 0 again. Now 45 is 200. Therefore the answer will be 0.025. Or 0.025. Now 8 plus 8.00, there is no decimal, so 0.025. After addition we'll get it here 5208. 8.025 will be our answer. Now we will see next exercise 7b. The first question of this exercise is add the following: 4.32, 0.62 and 7.18. We will arrange these numbers like this. 4.32, we will arrange their decimals. So in place of decimal we will write down decimal. 0.62, 7.18. Now 8, we will add all these numbers. 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12, 1 6 3 9 10 11, 1 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12.12 will be our answer. Next question is 3.7, 7.42, 12.867 and 10. Let us arrange this number. 3.7, if there is no number we are free to put it 0 0. 7.42 0. Next 12.867. Next 10, there is no decimal, so decimal is extremely right side, so we will put it here decimal and 0 0. Now let us add 7 8, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12 plus 7 19, 10 12 13 3. 33.987 will be our answer. Next question is find the following: 36.72 minus 16.954. Again we will arrange this number. 36.72 0, we will put it 0 to make it like decimal. 16.954. Now let us subtract this number. This 0 is smaller, so we will carry from here. It will become 10 minus 4 6, and this will become 1. So again this 1 will carry from 7. 11 minus 5 will be 6, and this 6 minus, it will carry from this side. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7, and this 5 will carry from here. 15 minus 6 will be 9, and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So 19.766 will be our answer. Next question number 4. Find the number which when subtracted from 10 gives 4.12. Let the number be x. Now we will write down like this: 10 minus x is equal to 4.12 according to this question. So 10, this x we will transpose to this side, then it will become positive number. Minus, when minus will transpose to the right hand side, it will become positive, and we will transpose this number to the left hand side. So 10 minus 4.12 is equal to x. So after subtracting we will get it 5.88. This is equal to x. It means this will be our answer. Next question number 5. Simplify. First part, 2.7 plus 5.12 minus 3.95. First we will add all the positive numbers. What are the positive numbers? This number and this number are positive. It has no sign, it means it is positive. So let us arrange their decimals. 2.7, 5.12. After adding we will get it 7.82. And from this number we have to subtract 3.95. Let us see. 7.82 minus 3.95. 12 minus 5 7. 17 minus 9 8. And 6 minus 3 will be 3. So 3.87 will be our answer. Next question number 7. Seventh part of this question. 5.36 plus 6.68 minus 18.7 minus 0.8. First we will add all the positive number. These two numbers are positive, so 5.36 plus 6.68. After adding we will get it 12.04. Now we will add all the negative numbers. How much negative numbers? Total negative numbers 18.7 and 0.8. It will be minus 19.5. This much total negative number. Now from this number we will subtract this number, minus 19.50 and plus 12.04. Let us subtract. 6, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 4.9 minus 2 7. So if there is plus and minus, two numbers are given, positive and negative, we have to always subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 19.50 and its sign is negative, so we'll put it minus sign here. 7.46 will be our answer. Next question is represent the following decimal on the number line 1.5. So how we will represent them? First we will draw one line, and it is positive number, so all the positive numbers should be represented in the right hand side of the decimal of the 0. Right hand side of the 0 will be represented all the positive numbers. So we will, like this we will represent. So first 1 unit is divided into 10 smaller unit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is 1 unit. Again second unit is also divided into 10 equal parts. Now we have to represent 1.5, means 1 and 0.5 will come 1 2 3 4 5. Here we will make it arrow and write down 1.2 1.5. Like this we have to represent in the exam. Second 2.3. 2.3, how we will represent them? Here this is 0. It is also a positive number, so we will represent them in the right side of the 0. So this is 1 unit, this is 2 unit, and again this 3 unit will be divided into 10 smaller unit. So let us divide them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And in the question it is written 2.3, means 2 and 0.3. 1 2 3 smaller number will represent decimal part. 2.3, this will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.